BittyBrush. Hi. Today we will draw numbers. Number 1. Number 2. The number 3. It turns out perfectly. The number 4. The number 5. The number 6. You're doing great. Number 7. Number 8. Wonderful. The number is 9. And 0. Let's color the number 1 in red. Number 2 in orange. Number 3 in yellow. Number 4 in blue. Number 5. Yellow. Number 7 in blue. Number 8 in red. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. 9 orange color. 0 blue color. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.